the one to experience the Nintendo Entertainment System comes with Rob, Zapper, Control Deck, 2 controllers, Gyromite, and Duck Hunt.
When you get hold of the Nintendo Entertainment System, when you master Rob the video robot, and meet the challenge of Gyromite, when you shoot the light-sensing Zapper, when you play the system with so many arcade hits, you're playing with power. The Nintendo Entertainment System Deluxe Set. Batteries not included. Super Mario Brothers and other games sold separately.
Mario! Mario! Mario!
Super Mario. 1, 2, and 3. There's power in numbers. Nintendo. Now you're playing with power. Each game sold separately.
The Power Glove for your Nintendo Entertainment System. Now you and the games are one. Everything else is child's play.
Ultra's improved your favorite arcade game. First, we added 2 new levels, then packed it with bigger, stronger enemies, and a ton of extra foot soldiers. Next, we punched up the action with knockout new attack moves and crime-fighting scenes like the Ninja Castle. If that doesn't swell your shell, we made one more small adjustment. Introducing the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles arcade game, today's biggest hit. For your NES. Free personal pan pizza coupon from Pizza Hut.
What's it like to play the Nintendo Entertainment System? The Nintendo Entertainment System. Now, playing with power.
Watch out for the guy. Right.
The boy, where is he?
Hey, here we go. Down to the dance floor. Mom, ever heard of
Star Wars, a force stronger than your parents doesn't want.
Mario! Mario!
Croeso i'r stream. Heddiw byddwn ni'n cario ymlaen gyda Day of the Tentacle. Ni 30% mewn i'r gêm. Felly, ie, gobeithio byddwn ni'n cael gwell... O, ma' hwnna'n diddorol. Ie, bydd dyn ni siawns dawn...
No way could I reach that.
Wel, neu 10% heddiw. Gawn ni weld faint mor anodd yw e. Rwy'n dig. Dwi'n gael fi wneud e.
The crank is missing.
Oh, mae rhaid ffeindio'r crank. Gynta.
There's no way to open it. Why would I want to get... It's even heavier than it looks. There's no way to open it. Why would I want to get through? It's even heavier than it looks.
Right, beth sydd dy fi? Dy fi, tentacle, scalpel. Dwi'n gallu...
No way could I reach that.
Torri fe na. Oh.
I don't think so.
Na, sgen I ddim y crank.
I can't. My therapist and I have an agreement.
Beth sy'n yma I gyd? Ffenest. Dwi'n gallu...
I can't. My therapist and I have an agreement. I can't. My therapist and I have an agreement.
O. So fi bod fyna. Tentacle fan hyn.
Hi, I'm
Ooh-wee, you are one ugly human.
Excuse me?
Man, I'm not kidding. You are just about the homeliest Homo sapien I've ever seen.
Are you trying to tell me something?
Yeah, you're a real wolf. I mean, your hair alone is gonna give me nightmares. Not to mention your teeth, your clothes, your one eye that's bigger than the other.
Gee, how much worse could I get?
Not much, unless there were two of you.
Where I come from, I happen to be quite the babe.
You mean the kennel? That doesn't say much. Everyone in there is a human show reject.
Oh.
Human show? How degrading. You should be ashamed.
Yes, working with humans is degrading, but somebody has to do it.
The guard guy wants to see you in the kennel. He said to just leave all your stuff here.
Which guard? What's his name?
Ken.
What a coincidence. That's my name.
Really?
Of course not. Now beat it. I got a lot of standing around to do.
Oh, it's rhaid I fi siarad gyda...
I'll ruin the show for everybody if you don't let me in.
You'd ruin it for everybody if I did.
Oho. So falle, os dwi'n ffeindio allan...
When's the show going to start?
Beth yw enw'r tentacle
We're
arall?
still waiting for one more human to fill the last stall.
Bydd modd I fi...
I'll fill it.
With what? Don't answer that.
Ie, byddai'n nôl nawr. Felly clywed rhywun ar bwys y drws. Sorry, money. Whoa! Felly, lle o'n i?
Could I register another human for the show?
You can't do anything. You're a human. This is a tentacles world. Don't you get it? Only tentacles can own property, only tentacles can vote, and only tentacles can register humans in the show.
Okay.
When's the show going to start?
We're still waiting for one more human to fill the last stall.
So bydd hwnna'n hi. Credu mae rhaid I fi nawr mynd nôl. Dim I ffynna oedd e? Na, ddim byd fan hyn.
It's already open. It's empty.
Sgen I ddim byd I gochi. Okay.
It's busted up good. It's an empty storage cabinet.
Dim byd mewn fan hyn.
They may be oppressive and power mad, but at least the tentacles recycle
Hey,
Right,
how'd you
dyma
get
lle
out?
na i gofyn i'r...
Get back in there.
Gofyn i'r tentacle yma.
Don't escape again.
Os beth yw ei enw?
Yoo-hoo, Mr. Tentacle Guy.
What?
Get me out of here! This is a violation of my rights.
Rights? You're a human. You don't have any rights.
So dim modd ffeindio allan beth yw ei
I
enw.
don't feel so good.
Again?
Dyna pity. Dim byd fan hyn. Just darllen popeth.
License to treat tentacles for the betterment of the tentacle race. License to euthanize humans for the betterment of the tentacle race.
Alright, beth am siarad gyda Harold eto?
How's it hanging, Harold?
I'm sure I don't know.
Well then, good luck.
Who needs luck when you've got beauty?
O falle fi'n siarad dy'r boi yma am ei enw.
You look sort of dopey standing there with the net. Nice clock.
Rather. No one is to touch it, especially humans. Now be off with you.
Beth
What did you say was upstairs?
Nothing that you need to worry about. An old time capsule and some worthless human relics. And, of course, the showroom. Off limits to humans, naturally. Except for the showroom. Now be off with you.
Be off with you.
Remember me? I'm Laverne.
I'm very sorry, but there's nothing I can do about that. Now be off with you.
Right, gwell I fi...
Hold it. Humans aren't allowed to roam free here. I'm taking you back to the kennel.
I wish I had some sort of tentacle disguise.
Fi'n gwybod fo rhaid fi creu gwisg, ond fi ddim wedi gweithio mas sut. Eto.
Zed?
I'm tired of talking now. It's been a long day, and I'm only human.
I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I'd rather not.
Okay.
Yoo-hoo, Mr. Tentacle Guy.
What?
Ooh, I don't feel so good.
Again?
Just dwi'n mynd trwy'r drws yma. Kennel. Beth oedd trwy fan?
Lieutenant, I want to ask you something. It may trouble you.
Ask away, sir. I can take it. I've got a strong stomach, nerves of steel, bowels of brass. Suck.
Cannon, son, this is important. Have any of your friends seemed a bit firm lately?
Oh, heck. You mean like non-squishy and non-slimy?
That's right. Come closer. I've recently become suspicious that humans might try to infiltrate us.
No!
Though basically stupid, they can be tricky. They may be in disguise.
It's bad to put metal in a microwave. It's already open. They may be oppressive and...
Dim byd mewn fan hyn. Dwi'n defnyddio. agor fe.
He might get upset.
Fi ddim yn gwybod pam mae'n yn opsiwn. Boo.
Boo.
Please, your looks are scary enough.
Okay, fi'n credu bydd rhaid I fi swapio I rhywun arall nawr. Achos... Di redig allan o syniadau erbyn hyn. Mae ddim yn mynd I gael fi wneud unrhyw beth, yma? Na.
It's even heavier than it looks. I doubt it will ever work again.
Right, amser swapio. Beth sydd dyn ni?
Excuse me. Yes?
Yes.
Gee, I gotta go now.
Rewi thing yn ato.
Yo, Tom.
Yeah.
Thomas.
How can you let Hancock suffer like that?
A real man is warmed by the fires of his spirit. You should listen to Washington relate his experiences at Valley Forge and take heed.
Later, brah.
What? What's going to happen later?
Rhaid bod rhywbeth I wneud gyda'r cath yma.
I don't wanna.
Dwi'n gallu bwrw fe?
I don't wanna.
Na, ydw i'n gallu just trio cymryd e? Na.
Yo, I don't wanna.
Bendydd. Sut mae'r hwyl, Emrys? Right, ni'n mynd rownd, ni'n trio gweithio mas beth i'n neud, fel mae pob anti'r pwynt a chlic. Ond mae'n oce ar hyn o bryd.
I don't wanna.
Fi'n teimlo mae rhaid wneud rhywbeth gyda'r cath yma.
I don't wanna.
Ond ddim quite yna gyda beth yn union. Beth yw e gyda'r ceffil yma?
For what?
A dwi'n rhoi spaghetti iddo fe.
I don't wanna.
Credu ni ar y pwynt nawr lle mae'r meddwl resymegol wedi mynd mas o'r ffenest a ni just yn clicio popeth gyda popeth.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Ni'n gweld yn symud fan i'n meddwl oedd e'n neud rhywbeth.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Nah, I like it the way I'd rather not.
Okay, mae'r pobl yma ddim eisiau siarad. Ni di...
Sorry, hope I haven't jostled you.
Too late.
Okay, dwi ddim yn dweud dim byd chwaith.
Wow, doesn't even blink.
Please do not perturb my model.
Perturb. Emrys, wyt ti'n iawn ar gyfer sesiwn Worms WMD di Sul yma? Cwestiwn mawr. Gallu danfod neges private ata I os ti ddim eisiau dweud ar stream. Ddim bod, tiod, dim ots really beth, ond yeah. Rhywbeth I wneud gyda Ben Franklin te.
I don't wanna.
Rhaid bod ni'n rhywbeth dy fe.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Nah, I like it the way it is. I'd rather not. That wouldn't be very nice. Well, that wouldn't be very nice. I'd rather not. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Tybed os mae'r maid yna. Ydw i'n... Ti ar un stages of grief point and click lil... Yeah, yndw ideal. Yeah, mae e, ond Mae fe'n werth e, ond ti angen... Fi ddim...
We could have this babe, like a waitress,
Fi'n
and
old
she's
school,
carrying
o'n i
this
ddim
red, white,
o'n
and
i
blue
ddim yn cael
cherry
edrych
pie.
pethau
Just
fyny.
put
A
the
os o'n
plans
i
on the
yn,
table
oedd yr
and I'll
internet
get
mor
to it.
araf, oedd yn cymryd gormod o hassle a fuss.
Gosh, I never want to mess with history.
So, yeah. So mae yna stafell fan hyn, a mae yna strain wneud y gwely yma'n bler, gofyn y fenyw i ddod, falle gallai siarad gyda hi. A bydd hi'n dweud rhywbeth diddorol neu defnyddiol.
Excuse me, Mr. Washington. Boy, what a mess.
What a mess. Right. Be mae'n dweud? O, dwi ddim yn siarad?
Hey, lady.
Please, I'm very busy.
Very busy. Oes na rhywbeth arall yn carti? O, gwthio carti?
No way, I'd be busted for sure. No way, I'd be busted. That's not what I call a
Ges
lot
i'r
of
sebon
cleaning
ganddi hi.
supplies.
Oes rhywbeth i wneud lawr fan hyn de? Cofio struggle ar un pwynt yn pwynt y clic Blade Runner am wythnos, more frustrating. Yeah, mae yn. Mae yn, ond...
Hey,
Mae gallu
only
bod.
employees are allowed to use that lab coat.
Ond dyna kind of rhan o'r deal y fe gyda gemau yma.
Hey, only employees are allowed to use that lab coat.
Ti'n meddwl rhaid, falle gallai roi rhywbeth yn y cot na...
Only employees are allowed to use that lab coat.
Fi'n gwybod, ond dwi'n gallu just roi rhywbeth mewn fyna.
Hey, only employees are allowed to use that lab coat.
Fi'n gwybod, mae rhaid i fi cael vinegar. Mae dy fi olew, vinegar a... Beth oedd y peth arall?
Hey,
what is it this time?
What was it you needed for that battery again?
Oil, vinegar, and gold. I still need the vinegar and gold. Let me know if you happen across any.
It's covered with plans and junk.
Right. Rhywun just danydd y ceffil. Sorry am hwnna. So, danydd y ceffil yn air. Nes I ddim hyd yn oed sylweddoli hwnna. Right, awn ni nôl at y ceffil te. Hei, siwmai Kieran, sut mae'r hwyl? Fe lan grisiau. So sit.
Hi there. Still trying to get back to the future?
I didn't know that, I just...
Laughed at by a horse.
Bitter.
Whoa.
Okay.
A horse is a horse, of course.
I don't know, fi ddim quite yn siŵr os taw just brunt ydyn nhw. Ond...
I'd rather not. Nah, I like it the way it is. I don't wanna. 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 I don't wanna.
Wanna?
Ha! I don't wanna. Nah, I like it the way it is. I'd rather not. I don't think I want this. I don't want to touch it.
Na. Mewn un o streams cyn roedd y dialog yn siarad am ble cafodd y ceffil ei dannedd.
Hi there. Still trying to get back to the future? Laughed at by a horse. Whoa.
Oh, man. So mae Ben Franklin yma. Dwi'n neud...
Nah, there's printer's ink on the sheet. Nah, there's printer's ink on the sheets. Nah, I like it the way it is.
O, beth os fi'n rhoi paint dros y gwely? Ti hwnna'n nutty? Digon nutty i bawb? Fel syniad?
Nah, I like it the way it is.
Anghofio hwnna. Oce, fi'n mynd I mynd I presennol. Na, pai phoeni. Ti o beth, fi'n agored I unrhyw cynigion Ciaran, achos fi yn y pwynt yna o pwynt... grief point, fel dwedodd Emrys, o just mynd rown mewn cylchoedd. So, unrhyw syniadau tu allan o'r bocs, byddai'n hapus iawn. Si ma Danydd yma. Hefyd, ni'n gallu mynd I y Professor Guy, ond ni ddim... Mae broblem achos... Ni'n gallu cymryd y crank yma. Right. Oh! Dyw'r thing ddim yn gweithio eto I gallu pasio stuff trwy amser. Don't read. I just...
Ooh, what keen Christmas lights.
Hey, shwmai gobslobbers. Fi'n caru'r game yma, ond ni ar pwynt nawr lle...
I can't, it's stuck.
Lle fi bach yn...
It's already open.
Stuck. So mae Dr. Fred yma. Mae gyda ni holl beth yma. Flyer, stamp, fork, funnel, decaf, coffi, dannedd, gosod, raff, cytundeb, tap, coffi. Oh, crank. Rai bod crank. Falle fi defnyddio crank. Fi ddim wedi defnyddio crank am unrhyw beth.
I'd rather not.
Fi'n gallu gwthio fe off, ond dyw hwnna ddim yn helpu. Mae'r pobl yna just yn mynd yn grac. Rech. Maen nhw'n dod mewn, fi'n cuddio.
On the floor again, eh?
So gobslobbers, os ti'n cofio pwynt yma, be fi'n colli? Mae'r pethau fi'n gallu cyffwrdd. Dr. Fred, y gwely a'r drws. Fi'n agored.
That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly good set of chattering...
Fi yn y moment lle fi'n clicio popeth a maen nhw'n dweud, mae hwnna'n stupid neu hwnna'n top, pam ti'n neud hwnna? Hwnna ddim yn gywir. So, Mae rhaid fi cofio ddo, os ti'n neud rhywbeth yn y gorffennol, mae'n cael effaith ar y dyfodol. So, rhywsut, mae rhaid fi defnyddio'r logic yna I datrys y broblem.
I'd rather not.
Okay, peephole.
There's some IRS guys in the next room.
Okay. I got a truce?
Not with those IRS guys hanging around.
Okay. Gobslobbers fi'n caru'r genre pwynt a chlic. A dyma un o'r gemau. Nes I hanner ffordd trwy o'r blaen, ond fi byth di gorffen y gêm yma. So, genuinely, dwi ddim fel speed playthroughs lle fi'n gwybod popeth a just yn clicio dangos chi. Chi'n rhoi coffi i'r scientist. Ie, nes i drio hwnna. Na i trio fe eto, ddo. Achos... Ond o'n syniad da.
It's locked.
Fi'n credu fi di trio hwnna. Right, na i wneud y classic o trio popeth arno fe, okay?
I'd rather not.
Yeah, bydd e just
round
a lot o rather
I'd
not
rather not. No time for fun now. Decaf wouldn't help there. I don't know. It's powerful stuff.
Well, I don't know powerful stuff. Dyna yw ymateb e.
I don't know. I can't use a videotape with that.
Essentially, ni eisiau Fred i rwyddo'r cytundeb yma, neu neud rhywbeth gyda'r cytundeb, i'r arian mynd yn cyfrife i gael y diamond. So ni'n gyda beth yw'r syniad. Dwi ddim fel ni'n hollol di-clew am fe.
I don't know. I can't use a videotape. I'd rather not. I just got him That's a stupid thing to do with I'd rather not.
Okay. So, efe rhywbeth gyda'r lever yma, a'r flag sy'n mynd i helpu ni. Dyn ni'n gallu rhoi raff?
It won't fit through those little grommets. It won't fit through those little grommets. That's one of the few places where fake barf isn't useful.
Na, ddim yn helpu. Y crank yma fi'n siŵr, achos gallai rhoi yn ôl, ond pan dwi'n mynd i'r un yn y dyfodol, dwi ddim yn at y beth. O, o'n i bai. A dyw'r un fe ddim hyd yn oed gyda'r crank o gwbl. Ond I just cymryd am nawr. Meddwl chi angen e am y dyfodol. Wedyn dewis y coffi. Clicio gyda... Okay. Clicio gyda dim byd, a wedyn dewis y coffi. Ti'n meddwl? Oh, give, yeah, ma' 'na option give. So, dwi'n cael give. Ond mae rhaid chi clicio ar give. Fi methu rhoi... Give Dr. Fred the coffee.
I'd rather not.
Na. Na, mae'n iawn. Wedyn dewis y corff. Wedyn cam deall. Na, pai phoeni. Clicio wedyn dewis y coffi. Yeah, fi'n credu bydd angen e.
I'd rather not.
Right. Wel, beth sy'n... Actually... Mae 'na fel vent bach yma. Ti'n gallu mynd lawr fan hyn? Na, y grate, ni'n meddwl.
Nah. That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly good set of chattering teeth.
A dwi'n gallu...
That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly good set of chattering teeth. The party of the first part shall hereby be known as a crazed maniacal genius. Chicago Manual of Thermodynamic Flux Induction Circuit Design. Great stuff. Gee, Dr. Fred doesn't have a penny. It's a bottle of correctional fluid. Neat. I think it's fake.
Fake news, guys.
Brown water. It's a fine funnel. Actually, I'd call this more of a 1778 Pony Express general delivery stamp. Not too valuable, but it is uncancelled.
Ooh, beth am te? Mae 'na fel thing post tu fas. Falle os fi'n rhoi... Ooh. Ooh, fi'n gwybod beth fi angen neud nawr. Aha. Right, os fi'n rhoi hwnna...
I'd rather not.
O'n i'n meddwl gallwn ni rhoi rhywbeth.
I'd rather not. That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly... Nah. It's no use. We've already missed the deadline.
Can we check on? Right. Felly.
It's no use. We've already missed the deadline. I can't use a videotape with that. I don't know. It's powerful stuff.
So, syniad tu ôl hwn.
Decaf wouldn't help there. I'm not sure I like that idea. I'd rather
mewn
not.
Fanna.
It won't do much good by itself. I'd rather not. That's one of the few places where fake... not funny enough. I don't think that would look better white. I'd rather not.
Okay. So, y pethau I wneud. Windshield, filthy old car. Byddai nôl nawr. Mae rhywun yn trio bwrw lawr fy stafell i munud. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, mae pethau wedi bod yn brysur iawn fan hyn. Sorry am hwnna. Felly...
Someone wrote wash me in the dust. Some people think that washing one's vehicle will make it rain.
Oh?
Uh-huh.
How about that?
Falle dyna sydd angen te. Dŵr.
I'd rather not. That's a stupid thing to do. Nah. I'd rather not. I can't use a videotape with... I don't know. It's powerful stuff. Decaf wouldn't help there. I'm not sure I like that. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. That's one of the few places not funny enough.
Yeah.
I don't think that would look better
white. Nawr. Breaking point fan hyn, guys. Oh god.
I'd rather not.
Right. Pethau arno fe falle.
I'd rather not. That's a stupid
thing to do. Dwi ddim yn gael fi siarad gyda fe.
I'd rather not. I can't use a videotape with... Would you like some coffee?
No thanks. I need steady hands in my line of work.
What line of work is that?
Brain surgery.
Okay, o le oedd wedi neud rhywbeth.
Would you like some coffee?
No thanks.
Okay.
I'm not sure I like that idea. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. That's one of the few places where fake barf isn't useful.
Hey, that's friggin' hilarious. Why don't you go show your mama now, 'cause I'm busy.
Oh. Okay.
I doubt he'd be interested. The LALR compiler is constructed by the following method. First, develop a rigorous elective grammar.
Man, guess you don't need sleeping pills if you got that around. Now go away, kid. You bother me.
Okay. Beth am hwn te?
I guess not too many birds bathe in the evening. I'd rather not.
Popeth ar y bird
That's
bath.
a stupid thing to do with... Nah.
Well,
I'd rather not. I can't use a videotape with... I don't know. It's powerful
Hollol
stuff.
mas o syniadau.
Decaf wouldn't help there. I'm not sure I like that idea. I'd rather not. I'd rather not.
I cynnig unrhyw syniadau.
I'd rather not.
Fi'n redig allan nawr.
That's one of the few places where
Hapus I
fake barf...
trio
Not
unrhyw
funny
beth.
enough. I don't think that would look better white. I'd rather not.
Okay. Funny bod e wastad yn gallu siarad...
Can be ignored.
Wel, darllen.
I guess he's not interested. He doesn't seem interested. I don't think that would look better white.
A mae'n gallu neud y gag yna, pob man. Gyda pawb.
Gotcha good, old buddy. That's one of the few places where fake... I'd rather not. I'd rather not. That's no way to treat an old... I'm not sure I like that idea. Decaf wouldn't help there. I don't know. I can't use a video. I'd rather not. That won't do any good. That's a stupid thing to do with a... I'd rather not.
Yeah. O'i munud, beth am y... Yna rhywbeth?
It's on the other side of the window.
Okay. Sit. Fanna. Ooh. Ooh, hwnna'n rhywbeth newydd.
Help wanted. Lab assistant. Hard-working moronic drone needed to assist genius with experiments. High school diploma not required.
Okay. Tybed, beth gallai ni gyda'r arwydd yma? Oh. Beth fi'n siarad gyda un o'r pobl angrisiau ynglyn â help yna. Gall hwnna gweithio, falle. Mae jyst yn arwydd, rhaid bod e'n neud rhywbeth. Okay.
Wrong size. Wrong size.
Gyda dyn?
I'd rather not.
Yeah, mae'n silly. Gyda'r dyn oedd yn really drist. Felly dyna yw'r opsiwn gorau. Felly...
I don't understand what was wrong with exploding cat.
I'd rather not. I'd rather not. That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly good... Nah. I'd rather not. I can't use a videotape with... I don't know. It's powerful stuff. I'm not sure I like that idea. I'd rather not.
Fi di neud rhain o'r blaen.
Hey, what's up, Bernard?
Not much, actually. Still saving the world and all that.
Oh, well, good luck then.
Okay, beth os mae fe'n helpu?
I'd rather not.
Fe?
I'd rather not.
Na Anna fe.
I'd rather not. That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly good set of That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly good set of I'd rather not.
Oh. Fi di wneud hwn. Dwi'n gallu gwthio
It looks
hwnna
awful heavy. It looks awful heavy. It looks awful heavy.
Good thing we've got Dr. Fred under wraps in the next room, huh? All that red tape ought to keep him busy.
Amazing coincidence. Them wearing the exact same suit to work today.
I can't believe what a mess these records are. What is it?
Never mind.
Is that a W390B frivolous spending report? No, it's another 561AB negative attention statement.
Okay.
Did you say you have a PP41 facilities paraphernalia declaration over there? No. I can't believe what a mess these records are.
Alright. Drosodd nôl I fe. A os dwi'n mynd lan grisiau I weld os... I put in rhywbeth? Da. Right, rhywbeth I wneud gyda'r cath yma. Ar y tegan.
I don't do cruelty to animals, no matter how vicious.
Beth am...
I don't wanna.
I ddim yn galw fi pig o fyny. Be fi'n gallu neud ta I... Okay. I does dim pollen fan hyn. Mae pulley. Felly trio pethau gyda pulley.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Rhywbeth.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Nah, I like it the way. I'd rather not. It's blocked up with somebody's bed.
Oh.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Nah, I like it the way it is. I'd rather not. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Nah, I like it the way it... I don't wanna. I'd rather not.
Hey, keep your hands off that. You can look, but don't touch.
Excuse me. Yes?
Yes?
I think it's freezing in here, don't you? Freezing? Get out of here. Yo, Tom.
Thomas.
Thomas.
So, how's the time capsule going?
I'm sorry to say that except for my log, we haven't got a thing.
How goes the framing of the Constitution?
Not so well. An argument has broken out over whether we should separate church and state or legalize bingo parlors. I sure hope someone gives us a useful suggestion soon.
How could you let Hancock suffer like that?
A real man is warmed by the fires of his spirit. You should listen to Washington relate his experiences at Valley Forge and take heed.
Well, later, dude.
What? What's going to happen later?
Yo.
Please, let me suffer in peace.
I'd rather not. Nah, I like it. I don't wanna. 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 I don't wanna.
Oh.
Don't touch that, it's government property.
Sorry,
I'm saving it. It's going to be a famous log.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Thank you. This is exactly the sort of thing I need for the time capsule. I'll bury it tonight and it won't be seen for hundreds of years.
Ooh.
Future generations are in your debt.
Whoa.
Dwi'n meddwl... Nah.
Nah, I like it the way it is. I'd rather not.
Right.
Yo, Tom.
Thomas.
So, how's the time capsule going?
Very well. Now that you've provided that fine recent vintage wine, I plan to bury it this evening.
Okay.
Later, brah.
What? What's going to happen later?
So falle bydd ein...
The Constitutional Convention invites your comments, critiques, amendments to the Constitution.
So oedd o'n good. Nes I actually neud
Someday
rhywbeth
I'll let the bird
a
die.
roi
I
rhywbeth
don't
iddo fe.
wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Nah,
So
I
ni
like
jyst
it the
eisiau
way it
amser
is.
I mynd yn ei flaen nawr.
I'd rather not.
Quite yn siŵr sut ni fod wneud hwnna ddo. Ond... cael amser I pasio'n gyflymach. O'n I bai...
What's up? Know where I can get some gold? Maybe some Krugerrands? Great hat, man.
Right, fi'n mynd I...
Later,
Dwi
dude.
ddim yn dweud unrhyw beth. So dim lot o bwynt. O'n I bai bod... O, falle y cloc. Ydw i'n gallu newid y cloc? Ac wedyn bydd e'n...
I'm guessing it conceals the entrance to a secret lab.
Right, maybe just check un beth I mewn. Rwy'n yn bwysig. Felly, oes modd newid y cloc rhywsut? Na, mae ddim yn gael fi wneud hwnna. Na. Na, I'm stuck in yr un point. Ooh!
Just about done with this. Then I'm grabbing the latest flag design and sewing it up. Then it's bye-bye, Betsy.
Na. Ooh! Llythyr! Oh, yeah.
You're brilliant. What a novel design. Come to Baltimore at once.
Design... O, rai fo fi'n rhoi hwnna I Betsy. Neu Betty. Novel design. Neu ydyn nhw'n siarad am yr actual Ed Edison guy yna. Na I cael look. Ti'n mewn fan hyn? Na. O, ni'n dechrau ar y bach. Right, os fi'n rhoi hwnna...
I don't wanna.
Man. So rai fi'n rhoi I rhywun arall. I'r dyn yna sydd ddim eisiau siarad. Dyna ni.
I don't wanna.
Oh my god. Pobl lawr grisiau? Neu dwi'n rhoi e mewn fyna?
I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
There, okay. Right, later. Contact. Bynnag. Right. So pwy chi'n credu fi angen roi llythyr yma I?
I don't wanna.
Na.
I don't
Thomas?
wanna.
Na.
I don't wanna.
Oh my gosh. Le fi fod roi e then?
I don't wanna.
Right. So mae'n dweud...
You're brilliant. What a novel design. Come to Baltimore at once.
Novel design. Pwy gall hwnna fod? Ddim yn rhoi llythyr I fair.
I don't wanna.
Oh.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Right. So fi di ffeindio'r llythyr yma. Ddim fe. Oh, right, bod y... Oh, god, mae fe'n thing yn dyw e. Y professor. Dyna yw'r... Dyna pwy mae'r llythyr I. Achos mae fe'n neud... pethau.
I don't wanna.
Oh!
Hey, only employees are allowed to use that
Fi'n hollol stamp nawr.
I don't wanna.
Os fi'n gallu clywed e eto yn dweud hwnna. Right. A dwi'n rhoi e ar desg y merch yna. Na. Ie. Right. A dwi'n rhoi e fyna falle.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Mae'n rwystredig hwn. Pam dwi e ddim yn...
Hi.
Sorry, can't talk. Busy making history.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Be fi fod neud?
I don't wanna.
Rhaid bod y llythyr yna'n rhywbeth. Gallu siarad gyda hi.
How about a big old picture of me?
Just put the plans on the table and I'll get to it.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Un munud. Falle mae hwnna di effeithio rhywbeth yn y dyfodol. Fi really ddim yn siŵr.
Ye oldie outhouses. Nah, I like it the way it is.
The crank is missing. That's where they're having the humans show. That's where they're having the humans show. It's even heavier than it looked. It's even heavier than it looked. It's even heavier than it looked. I doubt it will ever work again.
Fi ddim yn teimlo fel fi wedi gwneud unrhyw gwelliant o gwbl. That's all rhaid ni'n siarad chwaith.
How's it hanging, Harold?
I'm sure I don't know.
Well then, good luck.
Who needs luck when you've got beauty?
Hi. Is that a real mustache?
So fe'n hyd yn oed yn gwrando.
Nice clock.
Rather, no one is to touch it, especially humans. I'll be off with you.
What did you say was upstairs?
Nothing that you need to worry about. An old time capsule and some worthless human relics. And, of course, the showroom. Off limits to humans, naturally. Except for the showroom. I'll be off with you.
This 400-year-old clock is an amusing example of primitive human timekeeping. Remember me? I'm Laverne.
I'm very sorry, but there's nothing I can do about that. I'll be off with you.
Right. Right, beth needs ni gyda'r arwydd yma?
Wanted, lab assistant. Hard-working moronic drone needed to assist genius with experiments. High school diploma not required. That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly good set of chattering teeth. It's too heavy for me to pick up.
Poor me. Poor me.
Oh.
I can't reach that from here. I can't reach that from here. I can't reach that from here.
Can we go out beth fi'n gallu wneud?
I can't reach that from here.
Oh.
I can't reach that from here. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. That's a stupid thing to do with a... Nah. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. You looking at me? Are you looking at me? Then who are you looking at, huh? I asked you a question. Okay, clown, that does it.
Cigar lighter yna'n defnyddiol. Dwi'n gallu rhoi hwn.
That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly good set of chattering teeth. I don't even want to touch that gunk. Hi there.
What can I do for you, kid?
So where is everybody?
The really big bash was last night. I guess they're all sleeping it off. So, want another cigar?
Sorry, my mom told me never to smoke.
Hey, if I listened to my mom, I wouldn't be where I am today. Well, suit yourself, boy.
Oh, ydw i'n gallu defnyddio hwnna ar fy hun? No.
I'd rather not. I'd rather not.
Falle by rhaid fi.
I'd rather not. It doesn't seem to open. I'd rather not. It won't fit through those little grommets. I'd rather not.
Un munud, beth os fi'n rhoi hwn nôl? Oh. Right.
Nah, not right now.
Rhoi hwnna ffanna. Rhywbeth gyda raff yna, though. Tani?
Nah, not right now.
O, ydy un ochr lawr y gwaelod?
What for? The weave is quite fascinating. Actually, a reverse double overlap, which makes for phenomenal strength.
So mae raff yma'n rhywbeth newydd.
The weave is quite fascinating.
Ooh. O, ydw i'n gallu roi'r raff, un rhan o'r raff.
What for?
Tynnu.
Nah, not right now.
Gwthio?
What for? The weave is quite fascinating. The weave is quite fascinating.
Ydw i'n gallu...
Actually, a reverse double overlap, which makes for phenomenal...
Na, mae ddim gael fi wneud hwnna. Beth os dwi'n defnyddio... Na, mae ddim gael fi.
Nah, not right now.
Pull crank. Na. Dwi'n rhoi rhywbeth fyna.
I'd rather not.
Na.
That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly good set of chattering teeth.
Barf.
That's one of the few places where fake barf isn't useful. What for?
Bendant wedi darganfod rhywbeth fan hyn gyda raff yma.
The weave is quite fascinating. Actually, a reverse double overlap which makes for phenomenal strength.
Oes na ffordd?
Nah, not right now. What for?
Falle mae'r ochr arall tu fas nawr. Methu mynd mas. O. Tynnu.
I don't think that will do much good at the moment.
Rhaid bod fi'n neud rhywbeth fan hyn.
I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. It's the one I hung from the roof. I'd rather not. That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly... I'd rather not. I can't use a videotape with that. I don't know. Decaf wouldn't help there. I'm not sure I like that idea. I'd rather not. I'd rather not.
Beth chi'n credu pawb? Beth ni'n neud gyda raff
I'd
yma?
rather not.
Dim clem dy fi. Dim clem o gwbl.
Decaf wouldn't help
Mae
there.
rhywbeth i neud... Mae rhaid bod y raff yma neud rhywbeth.
I don't think that would look better white. I'd rather not. It's no use. We've already missed the deadline.
Ydw i'n gallu neud rhywbeth gyda fe fallai?
No way. He's too heavy. No way. He's too heavy. He looks like a tall, mummified Dr. Fred. I think I'll need a little more leverage. Hey, Ted. Boy, I wish I had as little on my mind as you do. I guess I'd best be on about saving the world. It's stuck to the floor. That stuff might eat right through the floor.
It's clean enough for me.
O, gwa beth sydd fan hyn. Mae'n gaf i roi nod, ie?
I don't want it. I don't want it. Yo, Tom.
Thomas.
So, how's the time capsule going?
Very well. Now that you've provided that fine recent vintage wine, I plan to bury it this evening.
Okay.
Later, brah.
Brah.
What's going to happen later?
Brah. Bra.
Where am I gonna put it?
Ned's bed. O, dwi'n gallu rhoi yn ar gwely fe?
I don't wanna.
Na. Swapio.
I don't wanna.
Amseroedd desperate fan hyn.
I don't wanna.
Wanna. Llythyr gyda
I don't
ceffyl.
wanna.
Wanna. Son Rain eisiau'r
I don't wanna.
llythyr on.
I don't wanna.
Sydd ddim yn defnyddiol i ni.
I don't wanna.
Sut fi'n mynd i cael sylw fe? O, un munud. Dwi'n gallu neud rhywbeth? O na. Dim byd.
I don't wanna. Nah, I like it the way it is. I can't open it.
Here I am, don't get your curls in an uproar. Excuse me, Mr. Washington.
Where he?
No way.
Pinch him?
No way. That's not what I'd call a lot of cleaning supplies.
Falle just siarad gyda'r Red Edison.
Hey.
What is it this time?
What are you doing?
I'm working on a new battery with an incredible storage capacity.
What was it you needed for that battery again?
Oil, vinegar, and gold. I still need the vinegar and gold. Let me know if you happen across any.
Right, fi'n credu mae'n amser am bach o hint neu help neu rhywbeth.
It's covered with plans and junk.
Yeah. Fi ddim yn siŵr. Sut fi'n mynd i wneud e, ond i bai am hynny. Sy'n drist i feddwl. Ond fi ddim eisiau gwybod popeth, fi jyst eisiau un fel hint. Pity ti ddim yn gallu just cael rhywbeth o fewn y gêm. Okay. Felly... Right, felly beth fi'n gallu gweld fan hyn, mae'n dweud okay. Dyna link am section battery. Mae gen I olew. Diolch Kieran, fi'n credu mae yna rhywbeth lan fan hyn. Rhywbeth eitha syml, ond ni ddim di gweld. A bydden ni ddim wedi, really. Okay, so be mae'n dweud yw...
Where am I gonna put it?
Okay. Right. Fi ddim yn defnyddio hwnna gymaint of dylwn ni, so use.
I don't wanna.
Ah, come on. Come on, gyflym. Flip. Right, os dwi'n... So fi angen trio cael y cath yna. Pull.
Where am I gonna put it? Where am I gonna put it?
Use squeaky mattress with...
I don't think I can do that.
Use...
I don't think I can do that. I don't think I can do that.
Oh, mae'n rhy gyflym. Right.
Yo,
So mae'n dweud, use the squeaky mattress with Jed's bed to switch them. Oh, right. So fi'n rhoi... Ben am bydden ni ddim wedi meddwl am hwnna. Wow.
Sounds like the cat's caught a moose up there.
Nawr, defnyddio hwnna. A gwasgu hwnna. Gyflym! Yay! Hooray! Diolch Kieran am y link. Right, fi'n mynd I gadael safio fe fyna heddiw. A... Cario ymlaen, fi jyst eisiau gweld 300 heddiw. Heddiw yn disaster. Felly... Oce, digon, nawn ni mynd nawr. Nawn ni dechrau ar hwn eto. Oi, dim sgrechian. Oce. Na I gweld chi gyd wythnos nesaf. Nid I Sul ar gyfer worms. Oce, ti eisiau gweld y ci? Come on te. Right, gweld chi gyd wythnos nesaf. Wow. Right. Sorry am hyn. Gweld chi wythnos nesaf. Ta-ra.